Welcome to Big Pine Key, located in the Florida Keys, mile marker 31. This home spans over the entire width of the street, 50 feet wide by 200 feet in length. You've got two entrances. The moment that you step into this little wooden gate and follow the path, you are transported into simpler times. On the other side of the home, tucked away in the trees, you'll find a charming little log shed. Yes, log shed. On the other side, you'll find what could be a real gem, the mom shed. Now fully disclosed, it needs a lot of love. The ceiling has major damage and is not Pinterest ready. But the bones are there, and the extra space could be transformed into something special. Think of an artist studio, backyard office, workshop, or even a peaceful hideaway to sip wine and escape from the chaos. If you've got vision, this space is ready for you. Circling around to the main house, the structure still stands proud. The exterior looks solid. This is a true fixer-upper and will definitely need some TLC for the right person with the right vision. There is so much work to be done here. Past the weather and tear, this home has soul, the kind you can't duplicate with a new construction. Downstairs offers the perfect setup for friends and family to gather. Whether firing up a grill for the backyard barbecue or setting up the big screen for the big game. Stepping inside, you're greeted by the kitchen. There is some visible ceiling damage, but the cause is not known. Something a good inspector will be able to clarify. The owner assured us that there was no active leaks, and from what I can see, the roof appears to be in great shape. Just off the kitchen is a charming little porch. The perfect spot for a quiet morning coffee while you hear the birds put on a concert. And yes, they were absolutely singing. The main bedroom sits quietly on the first floor, offering high ceilings that make the space feel like open and airy. It's functional yet full of potential. A peaceful retreat with just enough character to spark your imagination. The full bathroom is tucked right inside the room, complete with a tub. This is the primary room for the homeowner. A mini split was added in 2021. Heading upstairs, the vibe shifts. The high ceiling opens up, and suddenly you're standing in a completely blank canvas. An unfinished upper level that could be your dream loft, writer's nook, guest suite, or even your primary suite. Now let's step outside to the upper level porch and take in those views. Private, elevated, quiet. As we head back down and walk that same wooden path out, You can't help but think this isn't just a fixer-upper. It's a place with history and a lot of character. For someone ready to breathe life back into the space, this is that diamond in the rough, a one-of-a-kind place in a peaceful neighborhood.